Hi, I'm Barbara. Welcome to Bee's Kitchen and Garden, where I share with you successful recipes and gardening tips. Today's recipe is for quick homemade cranberry sauce. Absolutely delicious. I'm not a fan of canned cranberry sauces, but I'll tell you, once I tasted fresh, I love it. I even use it as toppings on ice cream. So let's get started. Getting started, the ingredients for this recipe are extremely simple. 1 cup of hot water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 12-ounce pack of fresh cranberries. I must admit, in order to have cranberries with fresh cranberry sauce all year long, I freeze them. I buy about 6 bags in the fall when they're very prevalent for Thanksgiving and Christmas, and then I freeze them. So this is a previously frozen bag of fresh cranberries. Put them in a colander, wash them. If there are any that look a little weird, throw them out. It's like if you have grapes and some of the grapes are sour, you throw them out. And let's get on with the recipe. This is such an easy recipe. Take your 1 cup of hot water, add the 1 cup of sugar, and boil it until the sugar is totally dissolved into the water. So we'll turn this on and we'll bring it to a boil. Meanwhile, I will stir to encourage it to dissolve, the sugar to dissolve into the water. This is how it looks when you first put the cranberries in the water. As you can see, it just looks like water and cranberries. Okay, we'll keep stirring and we'll let it cook a little, and then we'll see how it looks. It hasn't been boiling for too long, but you can hear the cranberries popping as they cook. Those are the cranberries. Keep cooking. They all need to get soft. They will all pop. This definitely thickens as it boils. You can see now the juice is looking more like cranberries, and you can still hear them popping. So we're going to cook a little longer. I've turned off the heat, and look how thick our cranberry sauce is now. It will thicken even more as it cools. So now I'm going to pour it into a soup bowl, something that can hold a very hot liquid, and we will let it cool to room temperature, and then we will put it in the fridge to cool even more. Here's our cranberry sauce cooling, and look at this one. This is one that I did several days ago, and look how thick it is. Absolutely beautiful. Enjoy your quick, easy, fresh cranberry sauce. Hi, I'm Barbara. Welcome to Bee's Kitchen and Garden, where I share with you successful recipes and gardening tips. Today's recipe is for quick homemade cranberry sauce. Absolutely delicious. I'm not a fan of canned cranberry sauces, but I'll tell you, once I tasted fresh, I love it. I even use it as toppings on ice cream. So let's get started.